Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung is on Cloud9 right now, basking in the success of the Note 20 Ultra as well as the Fold 2. However, backstage they are working on the update to this year's Galaxy S20 series. We've had battery sizes leak of the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, assuming that they will call them S21 instead of S30. Anyway, folks over at Galaxy Club have been able to uncover the battery capacity of S21 Ultra as well, which sadly won't see a jump and will stay at 5000 mAh. The battery is rated at 4885 mAh, so we can assume the typical capacity to be around 5000 mAh, which is the same as the S20 Ultra, but that is more than enough in my opinion. The battery life on our smartphone isn't just about the battery capacity, there are way more factors affecting it, such as the processor and display. The S21 Ultra should get a more power efficient LTPO screen that is capable of adjusting the refresh rate of the display between 1Hz to 120Hz depending upon the scenario. Also, it will make use of the Exynos 1000 and Snapdragon 875, both of which will be built on a 5nm manufacturing process that should contribute to overall better battery life. Moving on, we also have the camera details of the S21 Ultra that will make use of two telephoto lenses as against one on the S20 Ultra. It gets the updated 108MP ISOCELL bright HM2 sensor from Samsung along with a 12MP ultra wide, a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and another telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The presence of two telephoto lenses gives it a much more versatile camera setup, unlike the S20 Ultra that only had a single telephoto with 4x optical. The front of the phone gets a 40MP selfie camera, which is same as seen on the S20 Ultra. Samsung claims that the HM2 is 10% thinner and 15% smaller compared to the predecessor, so this should result in less of a camera bump or slimmer phones overall, which is nice to see, especially after the Note 20 Ultra and its huge camera bump. Now, though Samsung is working on the S21 series, that doesn't mean they have forgotten about the S20 series, as they will be bringing a new handset in the S20 family. We have a few real-life images of the S20 Fan Edition from the same YouTuber who gave us the first look of the Note 20 Ultra. The phone looks identical to what we have already seen in some renders, however the punch hole looks to be placed a bit low compared to the S20. Now, a slightly lower punch hole will interfere more with the content on the screen, so that is something which you will need to get used to. Also, EveLeaks has given us all the details about the S20 Fan Edition 5G, more or less confirming everything that we already know about the device. The specs include a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display, a triple camera setup at the back with 12MP wide, 12MP ultra wide and an 8MP telephoto, along with a 32MP selfie shooter. A Snapdragon 865, 8GB of RAM with at least 128GB of storage, a 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts of fast charging, including wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, as well as an IP68 rating. Now, though the phone supports 25 watts fast charging, it only ships with a 15-watt charger in the box, which is a bummer considering even the Galaxy M51 gets a 25-watt charger in the box. It also gets the usual Samsung features such as single take, quick share, super steady mode, night mode, and wireless text. It will run One UI at 2.5 out of the box based on Android 10. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.